Hi, in this screencast I'm just going to brief in what I need done for this Paws Pets website. So I've set up a staging environment and I'll provide links for that. Essentially this slider that's here, I'm not exactly sure how it was built, but responsively, if I bring the website in, just move something out of the way, a couple of things out of the way. Okay, so if I bring the website down, you can see that the slider is taking up most of the screen here, and it's not ideal because the most of the image is being cut off. What would be better would be that if this slider was to move up and scale with this responsive size, or even at a certain breakpoint, it just goes to a much more landscape version. Even the mobile menu here, that could be narrower, or this on mobile could be a solid color, and then the slider could be below here. And then rather than at the moment, I think it stays there like that. Maybe on mobile it actually moves up. So I think this theme is pretty light on in terms of features, but that's kind of what needs to happen at the moment. It's just a big mess on mobile, whereas out here, that's as expected. So the other thing is, I could probably change that. That's probably not too big a deal. I'll brief it in anyway. So this via our pet taxi service is the same size as this text here. That should be smaller, because if you look out here, you can see that it's much smaller in relation to this. So a little bit of styling just needs to happen to make sure that that wording there is too big. Find out more button, I suppose, could be a bit smaller as well at this responsive mobile size. So that's essentially it. That's kind of what I need at the moment. So let me know what you think. Okay, thank you. Cheers.